Hey learners, it's me Krishna Prakash, your favorite educator. After a huge demand from SSC JE aspirants, South Indian learners, state AE aspirants, myself and RP sir step forward to launch a new goal in Unacademy exclusively for state AE and SSC JE. So this course is completed by myself and Rajendra Prasad sir only. The best content is provided to you. And it is only exam specific content, no PhD content. So whatever needed for your exam, last 20 years PYQ questions, live test performance analysis, and what not to crack your state exams. And this course covers all state AE, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Tripura, every state AE questions and JE course. So then why are you waiting? Do join our courses. Let's crack it.